In this lecture, I'll show you how to use Wireshark to sniff and analyze network packets. It captures packets in real time and displays them in human-readable format. Wireshark includes filters, protocol dissectors, color coding, and many other features that let you dig deep into network traffic and inspect individual packets. Note that Wireshark is not a hacking tool. It's used to monitor the interface of your own computer and capture and analyze the traffic that passes through that interface. In my opinion, it is the most useful networking tool for learning how networks work and for troubleshooting network problems. Of course, this is arguable. Let's get started. Wireshark is installed by default on many Linux distributions. If it's not installed on Ubuntu or other Debian-based distributions, you simply install Wireshark by executing apt install Wireshark. For Windows or Mac, you simply download and install the corresponding version. I'm opening Wireshark. To be able to sniff traffic, you should start it as root. To allow not root users to capture packets, you have to follow a special procedure described in this official help file. To start capturing packets on an interface, you double-click the name of that interface in the capture section of the main screen. For example, I want to capture packets on ETH0, and it's capturing packets. Let's visit a website. Okay, and you see here all the captured packets. And I'm stopping capturing packets. Another way to start capturing packets is to go to Capture, Options, select the interface, click any other options, and start. Like this. In this window, you can enable promiscuous mode on all interfaces or only on a specific interface. When a wired or wireless network card is in promiscuous mode, it can read all the received traffic rather than just packets addressed to it. At the moment, Wireshark is capturing all the packets received on the interface. Let's generate some more traffic. When you want to stop capturing traffic, click the red Stop button near the top left corner of the window. You can see captured packets highlighted in a variety of different colors. Wireshark uses colors to help you identify the types of traffic at a glance. By default, light purple is TCP traffic, light blue is UDP traffic, and black identifies packets with errors. To view exactly what the color codes mean, click View and Coloring Rules. You can customize and modify the coloring rules from here if you like. Let's have a look at Wireshark's main window. We notice it consists of three main parts. The packet list pane displays a summary of each packet captured. By clicking on a packet in this pane, you control what is displayed in the other two panes. The packet details pane displays the packet selected in the packet list pane in more detail. And the packet bytes pane displays the data from the packet selected in the packet list pane and highlights the field selected in the packet details pane. Each line in the packet list corresponds to one captured packet, and if you select a line in this pane, more details will be displayed in the packet details and packet bytes pane. Now, if you double-click a line, a new window pops up with details about that particular packet. In this example, we are seeing information about the Ethernet headers, like the source and destination MAC addresses, the IP header. These are the source and the destination IP addresses, and finally information about the TCP header and application data. This one, HTTP over TLS. By the way, this is an encrypted packet. Probably you have noticed that there's a lot of information, but if you want, you can save the capture for later inspection. To save the capture to a file, you press on Ctrl+S, like this, or go to File, and then Save or Save As. Wireshark can save the packet data in more than one format. You should choose the correct format depending on how you want to open the file later. Other network analyzers use their own format. The most important formats are PCAP-NG, this one, which is the native file format for the latest version of Wireshark, and PCAP format used by older versions of Wireshark, but also by other well-known and widely used tools like TCP dump. Not all information will be saved in a capture file. For example, most file formats do not record the number of dropped packets. And I'm saving the capture as a PCAP file. Done. And I'm closing Wireshark. At a later time, you can open the file with Wireshark or with other tools like TCP dump, which is a command line tool. This is the file, the PCAP file I've just saved, and I can open it with TCP dump like this. Okay, that's all about the basics of Wireshark. Take your time to understand how it works, because Wireshark is really important for any network engineer. In the next lecture, we'll dive deeper into other advanced features of Wireshark, which are filters.